Hi YouTube, hello. Welcome to day 3 of Tiny Art Journal Week and the third of my art journals to show you. I am excited to flip through this one. It might be one of my favorites, or it at least has some of my favorite spreads out of all the art journals. Also, sorry if during my voiceover you can hear my laundry drying in the background. I think I was really coming into my own in this tiny space. In this journal, I can see myself playing with things that I wouldn't usually have done, trying different things. And some of my very favorite layering is in this journal. This spread is a great example. And there are some pages where the layering is so cohesive that even I sometimes forget where the layers are, which is always fun. I was really using a lot of tiny pieces in my collection that I had for so long, whether it's like that pen or the snake, things that just couldn't find a home. Many of them found a home in this journal, which was always really fun. This page on the left, that's some of my favorite layering I've ever done. I don't even really know where the line is. I think it's up there by the mountain, but that is a really good layering job, if I do say so myself. I actually really hate that page on the right. It just did not come out the way I wanted, but moving forward, I don't like to go back in my art journals and change things, even if I don't like them later on. I feel like it's kind of a time capsule. It's like who you were at that moment, so I try not to change anything if I can help it. Another one of my favorite spreads right here, really fun layering, and I've kept using those words or sentences that out of context kind of just look cool. That one's actually in context because the words are about curling. So I actually forgot about this, but there's some more ephemera elements coming in on this spread, so that's cool. And this is the end of art journal number 3. I really hope you've enjoyed. I hope you come back tomorrow. It will be a brand new tiny art journal that I have not flipped through on YouTube before. Can't wait to show you, and see you then. Bye.